to Run deals. So here I have a red light and near infrared light therapy device. I'm really excited about this because I have a lot of neck pain and low back pain. So I'm excited to see how this works. So let's take a peek inside the box. Right, so here we have 20 minutes every day to give you a healthy body kind of guide book. We have product manual here. We have, there's a 1-year money back guarantee. That's cool. And it has a little description of how to get started on the back. And then here's the device itself with the plug-in. It looks like there's a battery. So yeah, this is really, really cool. Here's another charging cable. This looks really neat, you guys. I'm excited about this. Oh wow, look at that. This is amazing. I'm so excited to use this and open this. So I put the belt on. It does say for best results to apply directly to your skin. So I went ahead and pulled my shirt up to put this on. You can see the infrared lights in the back. So I just wrapped it around my waist. I have lots of lower back pain. So I went ahead and applied it to my lower back, and we will see how this feels. They do recommend that you put it on for 20 minutes. All right, guys, I have had this on for 20 minutes. Wow, it's warm, it feels good. It definitely is feeling like some of my back pain and my muscles are relaxing and releasing. I really, really like this. So I would recommend this to anybody who has any kind of pain in their back or their neck. I really, really like this a lot. Again, I'll show you. I still have it plugged in, but I'll show you how it looks in the back. I like this a lot.